Unless we can stop them from having innocent fun, they'll continue to de-age.
What was that? What happened to them?
They've been unborn. You know what this means?
Yes, more egg puns.
Oh, snap! It's the Pickle Bird. What up, Stork? Got any babies for me?
This is not a drop-off, folks. This is a pickup. I'm gonna need those eggs right there. Thank you.
Sorry, Stork, but we don't serve breakfast after 11. Titans, go!